Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have come up with this beautiful dewy look perfect for winter. So if you guys want to know how I have created this look and my first winter makeup tutorial, then keep on watching. And also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to moisturize my face and apply this Squalene under eye cream from Pilgrim, and I like to apply it near my mouth. This is the area I mostly have dry spots. After that I'm going to take the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisture Cream, and this is going to moisturize my face because it is becoming dry right now. To add some more moisture to my face, I'm going to use these two primers, one from Lakme Lumi Cream, it's the moisturizer with highlighter, and Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth. First I'm going to take this Maybelline one and apply it on all over my face. After that I'm going to use the Lakme one on the highest points of my face to add some glow to my face. Then I'm going to take this Benefit Go-Go tint and I'm going to apply it to add some color to my face and cheeks. And then blend it with a brush. It gives a beautiful glow to my face. Next I'm going to take this foundation from K Beauty. It is a beautiful dewy foundation and I'm going to blend it using a brush. I don't like to use this foundation with a sponge because it is going to soak it, and you can see I have a beautiful glowy face now. It's not at all cakey. Then to add some coverage and highlight, I'm going to use this concealer from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade medium. This is a little bit lighter shade than my skin tone, and I'm going to use it to highlight, and I'm using this brush to blend it. Then I'm going to take this K Beauty loose powder in the shade Banana. I'm going to slightly apply powder on my face. I am not going to add too much of powder. Then I'm going to take this NYX micro brow pencil and I'm going to define my brows. Next I'm going to take this face palette from Natasha Denona, and taking this bronzy shade I'm going to apply it. This is quite buttery, that's why I have used it. Next, taking this Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, I took a very autumn specific chocolatey brownish color and apply it on my eyelid. Nothing too much. Then the little bit of the baking I did under my eyes, I removed it. Then I'm going to go for this mascara from Sugar Cosmetics. It has a beautiful wand in it and recently I've got it. And I'm going to apply a couple of coats of mascara. Then I'm going to define my lips using this Swiss Beauty lip liner. It's a maroonish shade. And also using a dry mascara, I'm going to fill in my brows. Then taking this Rene gloss, I'm going to apply it on my lips. It gives a beautiful glow to my face. Then I'm going to take this Faces Canada Ultimate Pro makeup fixer, and this is going to set the powder. And yeah, this is my finished look. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.